Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The Buddha is most unique among them. The radiance of his light is equal to space, appearing before all sentient beings. Billions of eons Buddha lands clearly appear in an instant. Shedding light, he edifies beings everywhere. This Bhima-citta praises with joy. The realm of Buddhahood has no compare. With various teachings he is always giving aid, annihilating beings' pains of existence. King Kumara can see this. Practicing austerities for countless eons, he aids sentient beings and purifies the worlds. Thereby is the sage's wisdom universally perfected. Herein does great following see the Buddha. Unhindered, incomparable great mystic powers move all lands in the 10 directions without causing sentient beings to fear. Great power can understand this. The Buddha appears in the world to save the living, revealing the way of complete knowledge, causing all to give up suffering and attain peace and bliss. This teaching universal shining expounds. The ocean of blessings in the world, Buddha's power can produce and purify. Buddha can show the realm of liberation. Adornment of firm action enters this door. Unequaled is the Buddha's body of compassion, extending everywhere, unhindered, causing all to see, like a reflection appearing in the world. Causal wisdom can express this quality. Rare, incomparable, great mystic powers manifest bodies everywhere throughout the cosmos, each sitting under a tree of enlightenment. Superior qualities can explain the meaning of this. The Buddha has cultivated practices for all times, having passed through every state of existence, liberating sentient beings from distress. This is praised by the king, Good Sound. Furthermore, the day spirit displaying palaces found the door of liberation, entering into all worlds. The day spirit bringing forth the fragrance of wisdom found the door of liberation, observing all sentient beings, helping and benefiting them all, causing them to be happy and content. The day spirit delighting in superb adornments found the door of liberation, emanating boundless pleasing light beams. The day spirit exquisite light of fragrant flowers found the door of liberation, arousing the pure faith and